Meaning of gamete.
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 Gamete. A gamete is a reproductive cell that contains half of the genetic material needed to create an offspring. In animals, the two types of gametes are sperm, male, and eggs, female. These cells undergo a process called meiosis, which results in each cell containing only one set of chromosomes instead of the typical two sets found in somatic cells. During fertilization, a sperm cell and an egg cell fuse together, creating a zygote with a complete set of chromosomes. The ability to produce gametes is a defining feature of sexual reproduction in many organisms.